I've taken LSS, I made $13,000, y'all. September, I made $11,000, y'all. October, I worked 2 weeks and went to Japan for 10 days, and I still made $6,500, y'all. Let's freaking go. Hey, LSS Nation. You know who I am. I'm Venus Matos. I'm from San Diego. But I'm a loan signing agent in Houston, and I've been a notary for almost 6 years now. Prior to loan signing system, I was a business manager. I worked for San Diego Unified School District for 25 years before I relocated to Houston, just on a whim, and I decided to become a notary. I didn't have any money, I didn't have a job, I didn't have any, well, I had my retirement, I had some stuff, I had my savings and stuff, and I moved to Houston, and I was like, you know what? God, what do I need to do? What am I gonna do to be free and not be under the thumb of somebody else? So I became a notary. I had been in my notary business for a few years, and I was kind of feeling stuck, like, okay, what's the next thing? How do I scale my business? So I finally was like, let me go look at what Mark's doing, because I had already been, active on his platform and all that. And then I was like, you know what, let's do it. Let's see what happens. All I can do is jump, sink or swim, and I did it. And I'm swimming, baby, like a fish. Before I took the course, I was kind of just making about $3,000 a month, $3,500 a month. August 2024, since I've taken LSS, I made $13,000, y'all. It's totally worth the money because Mark teaches you so many ways to make money. Not just signing your name and stamping your stamp. Mark teaches you so many different ways to go out and get the bag. If you can't get the bag after Mark teaches you how to get the bag, retire. Go sit down. Sit in the corner somewhere with a dunce cap on, because let me tell you something, if you can't get this money, this is the easiest money. I made $275 the other day in 19 minutes on a 31-page packet. Let's go.